Stop scrolling right now. Seriously, you know how Nismo usually tunes agile sports cars like the Z or the legendary GTR? Well, someone at Nissan clearly had too much caffeine and said, let's take our biggest, heaviest 3-ton apartment building and turn it into a track weapon. This is the all-new 2026 Nissan Armada NISMO. It is ridiculous. It is massive, and honestly, it's kind of awesome. We've got 3 minutes to see if this giant actually deserves the legendary NISMO badge, or if it's just a marketing stunt. Let's rip. First off, the presence. This thing is an absolute unit. It isn't your mom's soccer practice SUV anymore. It's been hitting the gym hard. You've got that signature NISMO red stripe wrapping all the way around the bottom, which is the universal sign for get out of my way. The new front fascia isn't just for looks. Those massive vents are functional to feed air to the intercoolers. Around the back, you get a Formula One inspired LED fog light and a diffuser that looks wicked. But the real flex? These wheels. We are talking about massive 22-inch NISMO forged alloy wheels painted in dark gray. They look incredible and save a tiny bit of weight on a truck that weighs as much as the moon. Pop the hood and we have to pour one out for the V8. RIP. I know. But don't click off yet. This beast is rocking a specially tuned 3.5-liter twin-turbo V6. It pumps out 460 horsepower and a massive 516 pound-feet of torque. That's 35 more horses than the standard Armada. It's paired with a 9-speed automatic transmission that shifts surprisingly snappy. 0 to 60, it happens in under 6 seconds. For a brick this size, that is scary fast. And the sound? It's got a sport exhaust, but let's be real, Nissan is piping some of that engine noise through the speakers. It sounds mean inside, even if it's a little fake. And yes, you can still tow your boat. It's rated for 8,500 pounds. Slide into the cockpit, and the vibe switches from race car to luxury lounge. You drop into these massive quilted leather seats with red stitching that grip you surprisingly well. The steering wheel has that racer-style red stripe at 12 o'clock, and you've got NISMO badges everywhere. In front of you, the tech game is strong. You've got dual 14.3-inch screens that look crisp and run Google built in. And for the road trips, it has ProPILOT Assist 2.1, so you can literally take your hands off the wheel on the highway. Oh, and crank the volume, because this thing has a Klipsch premium audio system that bumps harder than a nightclub. Driving this thing is, well, it's an experience. It's sitting on adaptive air suspension that's been stiffened up by NISMO engineers. It doesn't flop around in corners as much as you'd expect, but you can't fight physics. It stays flatter than a Tahoe RST, but you definitely feel the weight. The brakes have been upgraded too, thank God, because stopping 6,000 pounds from 80 miles an hour is serious business. It's more of a highway missile than a canyon carver, but gapping Civics at stoplights in a 3-row SUV never gets old. So, the verdict. The 2026 Armada NISMO starts around 78 grand. That is serious cash. But you are getting a 460 horsepower family hauler that looks like nothing else on the road. Comparisons? A Sequoia TRD Pro is cheaper but feels agricultural. A Tahoe RST is common. This is exclusive. If you want to tow your race car to the track in something that looks cooler than the race car itself, this is it. If you dug this review of the biggest NISMO ever, smash that like button. It helps the algorithm. Drop a comment below. Is a V6 NISMO a deal breaker, or is 460 HP enough? Let's argue. Don't forget to subscribe to CarRev3. Catch you guys in the next one.